Brad Williams, Excel primed. How about we look at the substitute function with address? Okay. We're going to go through and look at a handful of substitutes. Its application here. Substitute finds and replaces text. It's case sensitive. Address returns a cell address as text. Where will you use this? I can't answer that, but this is just an example. You can convert a column number to an Excel column letter. That's what we're trying to do. Column letter to column number. Do you remember I said column number? We have column. You're going to say, I need column 27. You know that would be AA because how many letters? A through Z is 26, so if you go 27. But let's say you need row number 849. We can use the substitute function in the address to do that. The initial step is to create an address containing the column number. We do so by using the address function and passing 1 for the row number, column number from B5, and 4 for the absolute number argument. Here's what it looks like. Substitute 1. We have row number. Look here. We have row number. We have column number. We have absolute number. And then we have this optional reference. Let me show you here. Address, text. That's the substitute. Let's go into address. We have row number. We have row number 1. That's how it's recognized. Column number, B5. Absolute number, 4. Then A1. This A1 is part of substitute. What are we trying to do? We're trying to substitute. Let's go into substitute. We have text. So our text is going to be whatever this spits out. Our old text is going to be 1. We reference this as 1. We hard-coded it. All we're saying is substitute this address for 1. We get 10. So our column number is 10, and our column letter is J. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks a lot.